Hey guys, Mike from the Credit Game. And let me tell you something. I have something that is probably more exciting than I've ever said before on YouTube before. Today, we are running the first and only ever created webinar that is actually personalized versus generalized. Some of the topics we're going to talk about are ones that no other company will reveal. And the reason for that is because what most people do when they become successful is they then pull the curtains across and hide. I'm not doing that. I want to be the revolutionary one who comes out and says, you know what? If you need help, I want to help you. And I want you guys to click the link below to get registered. Right now, I got like 8 seats left. Things filling up like crazy. Some of the things that we're going to talk about are going to blow your mind. When I'm talking about powerful, and when I'm talking about are you in the game or are you on the sidelines, this is going to tell me if you're serious about your personal, professional, and financial life. And here's what we're going to talk about. How and where to get more clients. Okay? No business, no person without clients is making money. Okay? So we're going to talk about that and how to do this. We're also going to talk about how to easily build courses and landing pages. Okay? I could go into any company currently right now and make millions of dollars a year just teaching what I'm going to teach on this webinar for free on how to build landing pages for companies. We're going to teach you how to do that. We're going to teach you how to build a course that you guys can sell. Okay? Right now, we're in a place where we're at home. Things are starting to open back up, right? Passive income. Income that comes in while you sleep are courses. You create it one time and it continues to generate over and over again. We're also going to show you social media. How to run Facebook ads. Not how to run Facebook ads, but literally show you for your business or yourself personally. I don't care if you own a business or don't own a business. We're going to show you how to actually run the Facebook ads for your company. I'm talking about a personalized webinar. Nobody does this. It is going to be the best webinar you ever watched. It's the best webinar I've ever done. And with the concept that we're putting together based in the pandemic that we have right now and the things that are going on, it is an absolute game changer. Like the little bit of time you're going to spend with me, the amount you're going to learn is incredible. I'm opening up the curtains. We're going to share with you the 3 things you need to be successful. How to raise your credit score fast, effectively, literally, like how to get free trade lines. We're going to talk about how to get clients. We're going to talk about how you can build courses, how to build landing pages, and really how to maximize social media so you're omnipresent. I need you to click the link below. All you got to do is register. Okay, like I said, I think there's only like 7 or 8. So some of you guys won't make it. I think there's about 7 or 8 seats left right now. It's that important that when you watch this video, you click the link below to register right away. Let me know that you came in from the webinar. Chat box is open. You guys can ask any questions. I'll answer questions during the webinar. You guys can ask questions. I want to see each and every one of you guys. I promise this will not be a waste of your time. You can only gain credit knowledge, financial knowledge, and really knowledge on what the things we're going to talk about you're going to love. Click the link below. I want to see you guys. Love you guys. Bye.